In today's video, I'll show you how to use Acuity Scheduling for nail salons step by step. If you run a nail business or beauty studio, this setup will help you manage bookings, services, staff, and payments in a simple, automated system. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, start by setting up your services. Go to Appointment Types and create services based on your nail offerings, such as manicure, pedicure, gel nails, acrylic sets, nail repair, or nail art. Set the correct duration for each service so clients automatically book the right amount of time. If some services take longer or need preparation, add buffer time between appointments to keep your schedule smooth. Next, set up your availability. Go to Availability and define your working hours for each day. If you have multiple nail technicians, create separate calendars for each staff member so clients can book with the right person. Now go to Staff Settings and assign services to each technician based on their skills. This ensures clients only book services that each staff member can actually perform. Next, set up payments. Connect a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal so clients can pay deposits or full amounts when booking. You can also offer packages, such as manicure bundles or monthly nail care subscriptions if your business supports repeat clients. Now move to intake forms. Create a short form to collect important client details, such as nail preferences, allergies, or special requests before the appointment. This helps you prepare in advance and deliver better service. Next, customize your booking page. Add your salon name, logo, service descriptions, and photos if available to make your page look professional and trustworthy. You can also enable email and SMS reminders to reduce no-shows and last-minute cancellations. After that, share your booking link on social media or embed it on your website so clients can book directly online. Finally, test your system by making a sample booking to ensure everything works correctly, including staff selection, payments, and notifications. And that's it. You've successfully set up Acuity Scheduling for your nail salon and created a smooth booking system that keeps your business organized and fully automated. And that's how you use Acuity Scheduling for nail salons. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.